For us as a business, it's a massive leap into the future. It means that we can provide a different kind of legal service. I'm Lucy Shurwood. I'm a partner at Simmons Simmons, and I lead our Wavelength business, which is focused on legal technology and legal engineering. When we started experimenting with the early generative AI solutions, we saw very quickly that we were able to do things much more easily that had previously been very, very difficult. And that, I think, for us, was the moment where we realized that this was going to be incredibly powerful, and we really need to focus in this space.
I think in our DNA from the very beginning had been this idea of how do we not just provide tools for lawyers to use to become more efficient. What if we could take a bigger leap? What if this is a new paradigm? What if we actually could take a lot of that high frequency, lower complexity work that an in-house function deals with and hand that over to an autonomous system?
That ability to take entire workflows away from lawyers and have them serviced by an AI that is trusted and can be supervised, that is such a powerful change in legal.
I think one of the compelling parts of an autonomous agent is not just that it does some of these tasks that were previously done by lawyers, but the real magic comes in when you show how it can take over also the operational things in between. It really means you can give that agent a goal, you can give an orientation of how this enterprise works, and it then will follow those rules or that protocol. And that's where you see the spark in people's eyes when they realize, oh wow, I don't have to go get the email, take the document, put it in another tool, use that tool to review it. My team will just wake up in the morning and it will see, okay, 30 requests came in, 15 of them are already done. 5 of them need approval, and then we can focus on the high impact, high leverage work.
For clients, it is a completely new proposition. But I think once they have seen it and once they have worked with it, the thing that has really blown them away is the speed, the idea that they can have a marked up NDA back within under 10 minutes is transformational for them. The ability to shift work away from lawyers and onto agents means that it's no longer about how many hours the lawyers work, it's more about what they achieve with that agentic service and what the outputs are for clients.
I think we share the same mindset with Simmons. They are very focused on being at the cutting edge, being innovative, and is willing to kind of push the boundaries, not just of what's possible technologically, but also process-wise and product-wise. And I think that's a very brave step. And that's why we love working with Simmons, because they are open to taking a step into the unknown.
The pace of innovation within Flank has been incredible. The exciting thing for us is how it enhances what we can do with our clients. Over the next couple of years, it means that we will be able to offer a fully agentic service to clients that allows them to shift work and change the way their legal teams operate so that they're more effective, and build an entire agentic service to support their legal team and their businesses.
I think we can really build something together that's gonna be a part of moving the industry into this new paradigm where we build some of the blueprint of what it means to deploy autonomous agents at scale. And I think that's what I'm excited to do with Simmons, really figuring out how do we want to use it and how do we want to use it to create a world that we all want to live in.